Welcome to the world of the ketogenic diet, where the challenges are as real as the results. Today, we're diving into the common hurdles faced by those embarking on a keto journey. Challenge number 1: navigating the grocery store. The ketogenic diet requires a significant shift in food choices, often leaving beginners feeling lost in a sea of carb counts and ingredient lists. Challenge number 2: meal prep and cooking. Suddenly, familiar recipes need to be reimagined without traditional staples like bread, pasta, and sugar. It's a learning curve that can leave even seasoned cooks feeling challenged. Challenge number 3: dining out. Trying to stick to keto while socializing or traveling can feel like navigating a culinary minefield. Many restaurant menus are filled with carb-heavy options, making it difficult to stay on track. Challenge number 4: the dreaded keto flu. As your body adjusts to burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, you may experience symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and irritability. It's a temporary setback, but one that can test your commitment to the diet. Challenge number 5: battling cravings. Saying goodbye to carbs can trigger intense cravings for sugary and starchy foods. Resisting temptation requires willpower and a strategic approach to satisfying your taste buds without derailing your progress. Challenge number 6: managing expectations. While the keto diet can yield impressive results for some, others may find their progress slower or less dramatic. It's important to remember that everyone's body is different, and patience is key on this journey. Despite the challenges, many find success and satisfaction with the ketogenic diet. By arming yourself with knowledge, planning ahead, and staying committed to your goals, you can overcome these obstacles and unlock the full potential of a keto lifestyle.